Chris, it's Brittany. I promised you a short and sweet video with some tips that you can do yourself to get some more customers in the door. And you're probably wondering why I'm doing this. Well, I've realized that small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them a lot of the time is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people will take this information and do it themselves, and some people will connect with me. Either way is cool. I'm just here to educate you and help you out with an easy to attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to go over the content on your homepage. I don't see a whole lot here. It's a really easy, simple setup. So I would guess there's probably around 50 words that you have on your home page. Now, content to Google is king, and it gives you authority to your website, so you definitely want to have more content. We recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So an example is what I typed in here at the top of search results of Google search: floor installation, McDonough, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. Floor installation is a service I'm looking for, and I'm looking in McDonough, Georgia. So the first thing that pops up is the Google Map Pack here. Now 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses to do their service. Below that is the organic search results, and 60% of people will choose one of these businesses here to do their service, up to 70% of people. And below that is Google Ads, and usually they pop up here above the Map Pack as well, but 5 to 10% of people will choose one of the businesses in the Google Ads to do their service. So I was looking for a local company, and the first one that pops up in the organic search is this one right here: Carpet Cleaning, McDonough, Georgia. So they have a lot of services, but they also do floor installation like you do. So I chose them as one of the competitors in your area in McDonough. And so I went ahead and I was looking at the content they have on their website. They don't have a lot of content either. I would say they have around maybe 200 words or so on their homepage. But they are ranking for a couple of reasons, and I want to show you why now. So here is a page program that I like to use called Ahrefs, that I can put websites in here and compare them and evaluate how they're doing. So first I want to go over these 2 ratings here. This is a DR rating, which is essentially a power rating, and this is a UR rating, which is essentially a trust rating by Google. And Google gives you these ratings, and both of them are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you or vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest. So Carpet Cleaning, McDonough, Georgia, they have 10 referring domains pointing to 42 backlinks. So I don't recommend just having that amount of backlinks. I recommend raising that maybe 200 or 150 backlinks for your website. And as well, it's also worth noting that not all backlinks are created equal. The best ones to have are those that are related to your industry and services that you offer, and that are from local websites. Those ones will be the best ones to have. So we've gone over content, we've gone over backlinks, which both will help raise the authority that you have on your content and help you rank in Google. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and an address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And just like right here, just like I showed you here on the top of our search result. Now, citations help you rank in the Map Pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them. So, and along with the citations will also give authority to your website as well and help you rank in the Map Pack. So it's like a double whammy there. So we've gone over a couple of things for your website. We've gone over increasing the content to your website with some good buyer intent keywords, increasing the number of words that you have as well. We've gone over backlinks, which will raise the authority of your website and make you more trustworthy to Google, especially with some good quality backlinks. We've gone over citations as well to get some more exposure, get your business in many directories to help you rank in the Google Map Pack and also help you with your website. So those are just a couple of tips that I have for you that you can do to start ranking in the Google search results, especially on the first page, and that'll definitely help you guys out. So I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. I appreciate you allowing me to serve you, and thank you for your time. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate any feedback you can give to me, and hope you have a good one.